Today is April 25, 4:03 p.m. Market is closed. And we just wanted to do another follow-up on First Republic Bank because at the end of the day, you'll see that it actually dropped close to 50%. We made a video on this morning when it was at about negative 30%, and now it's actually ended the day even lower. Wow. So you'll see this large crash all the way down, and we're sitting right at $8, which is very coincidental because if you remember from our April 20th video, when we put on this trade, we bought that 12 strike here and then we sold the 8 strike, saying that it was going, by selling the 8, that means that it was going to stay above 8 to hit our max profit. And so a very coincidence that April 20 unusual options had the foresight of predicting that the crash was going to end up hitting $8. And so watch that video, the April 20 video. We'll put the link here at the top if you have info cards turned on. Also at the end of the video and in our description. But we found it such a coincidence that this 8 strike was where it ended for this 50% decline today, because it could have dropped anywhere below 12, right, during this crash, but it just ended up at that strike price of 8. And what's also unusual is if you look also at today's volume, it is also the largest being traded, right? One of the largest. 10 is actually another large one here. You'll see we also have our 10 strikes, also our short at the 10 strike, which is also very profitable. And so if you watch that video, you'll see that when we did our 12 strike and sold the 8 strike, we got it for $80. And so right now, the value of these is now $280, right? So we can now sell this back to the market for $280. So with our initial investment of $80, that is then $200 of profit, right? And so that's pretty good. You divide that out by the initial investment, multiply by 100 to get the percentage, and that was 250% profit from this trade. And so very, very good short for this earnings prediction on First Republic Bank. And if you haven't watched that video on April 20, watch that and you'll learn more about how we predicted it with using unusual option activity. And hopefully it improves your trades too and your strategies. All right. So if this was helpful and you learned something, please give us a like, and we will close up here and